We just got here into Fallon, Nevada. It's hot today. We got a big day of qualifying coming up. We just took over the car to Phil Accardi, our shock tuner, and he took off the fronts for us and put a little bit more compression in them just to kind of plane the car out, make it a little bit more stable. And so we're going to be getting to it.
Good morning, everybody. This is Cook Offroad Racing. We are at the Vora Fallon 250. We're going to start qualifying here in a little bit for starting positions. We got out here yesterday. Car is running great. We took it out yesterday afternoon out on the lake bed and did some passes. We're hitting about 95 miles an hour. Car is very, very smooth. On the way down to the lake bed, we had some rough runs. And again, the car was very smooth through the rough. So we're very optimistic that we're gonna have a great car. So we're going with some new L-Rod limit straps, kind of shorten things up a little bit. Once again, we're running the new 35-inch GBC Parallax tires. We got the team coming in today. Qualifying will be about 11 o'clock this morning. We're gonna get ready to go, and we'll talk to you guys later on. I had no issues at all with the car. We came in, we noticed that we were lost one of the bolts that holds the caliper to the hub. Not a big deal. So we're gonna run and get another bolt. Otherwise, the car was phenomenal. It was a great run.
Yeah, I didn't damage anything.
Fallon, did you get water?
Straight. Oh, you got lucky on that one.
It's going to be 2 races, one starting here in about an hour, and they're going to do 3 laps. And then once we get finished, we will about take a 3-hour break, look over the car, make sure everything's all gung-ho. And then we start our 4-lap race, and it's counterclockwise rather than clockwise, in which the other team is going to be doing first.
Feeling great about the car. Yesterday's qualifying really built some confidence back into me as a driver. We've got a lot of confidence in the car right now. We're not working any issues on the car. It was good. It was a good turnaround for us as a team yesterday to do so well in qualifying and start the race today in a really good spot. So we're real happy. I think we're having a really good day.
Guys, all lap.
Wow, look at the dust.
Yep. All right. I can't see shit. We're getting close. Okay, right here. Lock it up. Nice. Throttle. You got it. Beautiful. What you see is what you got. It's all straight, Sean.
Nice. Danger. Danger. Oh yeah. Oh, those are fun. You're gonna get all through this. Left, right, left. Keep going. You got a right. Straight. To a hard right. Got a hard right coming up. Alright. Narrow course. We got it. It's all straight. What you see is what you got to go. Got some rocky shit coming up, so check yourself. 300, 200 feet, you got a left coming up. Oh, shit. Write it out, write it out. Something's wrong. We got a flat.
T930 race to the main pits, do you copy?
Go ahead, T39.
We are out with the flat. We're changing it right now.
Copy, you have a flat. Changing it now.
Good job. Let's go. Sweeping left, you're stay in it. Race your race. Right to the left. To the left. Got some jogs through here. Left, slight right. Keep going. Wrong. Sweeping right. Sweeping left. Sweep there, use your left. To the right. 120 feet, you got a left. There you go. Slow down. You're good, keep going. To the right. To the left. Down, past the timing. Came in a little hot. A little bit. Yeah. Good times, man.
What an epic run. Oh, wow. That back section is fast. Fast, and there's a lot of G out. Had to really check up on fuel. Got one flat back over here by the lake bed. We hit a pretty big rock and just tacoed the tire. Pretty technical back there and in through the canyon. But other than that, it's fast course. Crew and Garrett are going to have a good time. So stay tuned.
First race, gonna be really exciting. Dream come true. Been dreaming for this moment ever since I've been a little kid, so it's gonna be a great time. We've been racing with Sean for 4 years now. A lot of races, long hours, time and dedication. It's finally paid off. We're gonna go out, have a good time, race fast, race smart, have a good race, and hopefully finish pretty good.
I've been waiting for this moment almost 16 years. It was the only thing I can think of was off-road racing. We're gonna give it a nice conservative pace our first lap. We're gonna see just how the car is gonna be reacting to certain things, what it like and doesn't like. And then from there, we'll kind of pick it up a little. We're gonna be in the night, so it's gonna be a little bit of tunnel vision. And it's gonna be Garrett's first time co-driving, so we're gonna use that first lap and just kind of establish, distance, calls, just get an overall feel of what our rhythm's gonna be like between the two of us in honesty. From there, we'll just kind of see how it goes and do our 4 laps and just kind of bring it home because we really need a finish.
It's our time to shine, brother. I couldn't understand what he said. Take a deep breath and have fun. Right after this turn, it's going to be a hard right. Copy. 4, 3, perfect. Carry it through, carry it through, carry it through. Here left, here left. There you go. Straight, straight. Wide open. Watch these off. Watch these off. Oh, watch these off. Straight. Watch the rear end. Watch the rear end. Gas, 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 gas. Go, 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 go. You're gonna have a right hairpin, right hairpin. Straight, straight through. Watch these rollers. These are those rollers. Keep going, keep going. Watch this guy, watch this guy. You're good. Carry it through. Carry it through, carry it through. Check up a little bit. Good. Yeah, baby. Oh. Yep, give it a little bit. Yep. Straight up this hill. You're gonna climb this hill, and you're gonna have a hard right over this hill. Yep. There you go. Oh, shit, that'll get you. Yeah, straight. Straight, straight, straight. All you, all you. Hit the push pass. Go, 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 go. Straight. Stay in it. Straight. Straight, straight, straight. Straight, straight, straight. Back up a little bit. Straight, straight. Watch these rocks. Watch the rocks. Oh shit. Drive, brush it off, you're good. There you go. Straight. Straight. Here. I think we got a flat. Yeah, yeah. Okay, we do. I'll pull over up here. Dude, right 4. Right 4 straight. Straight, 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 straight. You're just gonna sweep. You got it. Straight. Keep going. Just gonna have a bunch that just has turns. T930 race the main pit. Do you have a copy? We call Copy. Hey, we have 2 flats. Our spare's flat, and our passenger rear is also flat. We're around race mile 39. Bring it in. Copy that. Oh yeah. She's toast. Straight, yeah. About 30 seconds out, main pit. Stop. Thank you! Alright, we're good, crew. Thanks, guys. See you on the next round. T930, race mile 8. Race mile 8. Straight. Watch the rocks. Straight. Yeah, we're good. Chris. Good job. This little G out. Straight.
We had a great race. It was a great finish. We're trying out some new things in the car, and we seem to be making progress in the right direction. The bottom line was we didn't quit, and we got the finish. Crew drove for the first time with Garrett. They did a fantastic job. So it looks like there'll be some more driving for them on the horizon, and looks good.
I just gave away.
Green. Rock. There's Ethan. Huh? There's Ethan. Flip him off. Damn it. Fucking Steve. My nuts are all fucking crossed up. Watch out, whatever this is. Oh, bedside, huh? That's a bedside, yeah. Fucking DVR.
So thanks everybody for supporting us, all of our sponsors, everybody. It's quite the ride that we're on. Thanks again.